Well, okay guys, this is what I settled on for organizing the foliage on these trees. This trunk, well, it's become a trunk now, another tree. It's going to remain fairly dark. I haven't painted it in. I haven't painted in a lot of areas. My only focus has been organizing the shapes of the foliage. To make it work design-wise, I think that's good. The greenery itself has been painted in, but the next thing we're going to focus on is not the trunks themselves, but rather the sky. So we're going to clean it up by painting the sky behind it. I think we're still on the right track. And actually, as a whole, I quite like the painting. Now, let me drop the camera a little bit here. You're probably seeing how blue this is. And we're going to take that down a notch as well. I don't want that. It's a little discordant from the rest of the painting. Which is fine. Again, it's the evolution. It's the evolution of the painting. But all in all, we're coming along. See you soon.